is that. This is what it looks like, guys. It looks so good, guys. And yeah, this is the next part to our channel. Mwah. Welcome to an episode with Caddy Family. So you guys, today I'm going to be making some salad cabbage with some potatoes. So let's do it, guys. The first thing first, I'm going to wash my hands and I'm going to be washing my gizzard. So, my mom is black. Of course, I'm going to be washing my gizzard with some vinegar or some lime and salt. Let's do it. And then peppers. Gonna be using some black pepper. Gonna be using some all-purpose seasoning. Gonna be using some sauce. Gonna be using some cabbage seasoning. And last but not least, we're gonna get my paprika. And here I'm going to take in 1 Maggi cube. And my all-purpose seasoning. Seasoning. This is good for you, your gizzard, guys. It's very good for your gizzard. 1, 2. Okay, perfect. Your gizzard are very good, guys. So everything can get mixed together. And it'll be right. Let me put it on this one. Amount of bay leaf, let's put it inside. I'm going to use, you guys can use any amount of bay leaf, but I'm using 2. 1, 2. And then my rosemary leaf, not too much, really. Okay. I'm going to let it to cook and let's go to our cabbage. Let's start mashing. Okay guys, I'm finished. Now I'm going to put everything. So you guys, I'm going to be putting my cabbage inside my sieve. Then my black pepper. I'll be adding some cabbage seasoning. Adding a pinch of salt. My favorite spicy. So you guys, this is how my sweet potato looks like. We're going so healthy, guys. And now I'm going to be putting inside the air fryer. Let's go get it. Look at my potato, guys. guys, so we're going to be there for 45 minutes and then I'm going to come back to the potatoes. I'm going to wash them. So you guys, I'm going to be putting some 2 on top of the butter, but you guys can put 1. Please, can you please subscribe to my channel? I'm so grateful, guys, if you guys subscribe. But it's okay if you don't subscribe, just like the video. And if you want me to do anything else, click the link below to register. So you guys, this is all the ingredients I'm going to be using. And I have my oil here. So the first thing is I'm going to put in my oil. And put in some more oil. I'm going to put inside my unsalted butter. First thing I'm going to be adding my pepper. My second. Now I'm going to be mixed. Put inside my cabbage seasoning. Now I'm going to be putting inside my all-purpose seasoning. Pepper. I'm going to be putting 2 scoops. And my ginger garlic powder. Now I'm going to be putting some of my Maggi seasoning. Now I'm going to stir. And I'll always be washed. Now I'm going to be putting inside my gizzards. Now I'm going to mix. Let's put inside, guys. Now I'm going to mix. Last but not least, guys, I have my cabbage. Now let's put it inside. I want to put this in the sink. So you guys, this is how it looks like. I'm going to be there for 5 minutes and I'm going to come back to everything. So you guys, this is the end results. This is how it looks like, guys. And yeah, guys, this looks so warm and yeah. Amen. God bless me, bless my family, bless everyone in this world, bless my aunts, uncles, bless my auntie, bless my friends, bless my teachers, bless everyone in this world. Amen. Now let's taste. 3, 2. I'm going to be going with the gizzard and the sweet potato. Okay, cheers. Yeah, this sweet potato is blessed. It's so good.